Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. How many possible products are there in given reaction? They have given C4H8O2 or ester. They have given here specified that it is ester, and CH3MgBr NH4Cl. So first of all we have to draw isomers of this. So I have drawn two isomers, that is here methyl propanoate, 3 carbon, total carbon count 1 2 3, and here in the ester this is ester grouping. So one CH3 group is in the ester. That is why we call it methyl. How many carbon here in the acid? 1 2 3. So this is first of all, this was which acid was there? It is propanoic acid. One H is replaced by this OCH2 group is over here. So here it will be methyl propanoate. Clear? So when it and the second is ethyl ethanoate. 2 carbon in the in this ethyl group is in the ester esteral oxygen, and this is 1 2 carbon. So ethanoic, this is ester of ethanoic acid, this is ester of propanoic acid. So that is why I am saying propanoate, 3 carbon acid, and this is ester of 3 carbon acid, that is methyl propanoate. This is ester of 2 carbon acid, acetic acid or ethanoic acid, and this is ester is known ended with O8. So it is ethyl ethanoate, ethyl group is there. So only two possible structures are there when CH3MgBr react with it, excess of this. So first I will do this CH3 CH2 COOCH3. So what will happen over here? OMgBr this will go oxygen attract shared pair of electron towards itself, and this carbon become electrophilic. So this CH3 group attack to this. So I made this structure. Okay, CH3 CH2 C O MgBr joined to O, and the CH3 joined to electrophilic carbon. Okay, so we'll get this adduct, and then this is very better leaving group. So MgBrOCH3 is lost, and then we'll get this 2-butanone, and then 2-butanone react with CH3MgBr. So we'll get again M1 adduct, and when NH4Cl and work up will be there, so we'll get C2-methylbutane. This is 3-degree alcohol will get. Clear to you? See here, this is here CH3 CH2C CH3 OMgBr this will be lost. Okay, so and H will be coming over here, workup will be there, hydrolyzed it will be, and it will get 2-methylbutane. Like that similar way, the CH3MgBr OMgBr form here CH3, then MgBrOCH3 will be lost over here, OC2H5 will be lost here, and we'll get 2-propanone. 2-propanone is reacting with Grignard reagent, and we'll get adduct and NH4Cl workup. So this will be cleaved here, and H will be coming, tertiary butyl alcohol will get 2-methylpropane.